Yes, my mic is okay. Imagine you watching your portfolio from how much? $10, $100, $200, $300 to $10,000 or 10x. Imagine you watching that portfolio going down to zero. I mean, surpassing the amount you bought that coin or those coins. Imagine you going through that. How painful it is. How hard it is. Imagine that. You become rich suddenly, and at one point, become like really broke. And you keep asking yourself, what actually you did wrong? You did everything right. You bought the coin, and you were patient enough to wait for the coin to make you some profit. You made the profit, and now you're gonna lose everything just like that. Well, it happens to 95% or 99%, or let me say 90% of people, investors, traders who invest in cryptocurrency. It has happened to me. So I can feel your story. I can feel your pain. I can be in your shoes, or I've been there. That's why today I am dedicated to this video to educate you on when to take out profit, how to take out profit investing in cryptocurrency. This is the most difficult aspect of investment or investing in cryptocurrency. You might be caught up and seeing your portfolio, spicing up with some awesome profit, and you're like, oh man, you're building that skyscraper in the air. Say to yourself, I'm gonna make it now. I'm gonna tell my friends, tell my families that, oh, I'm now rich. But you wake up the next day and you find your portfolio. Woo! My friend, it happens. And Betong Crypto is here to help you avoid just that. So we're gonna begin by appreciating all those who have been part of this community. Those of you who have been here, those of you who recently subscribed to my community, I salute you all. I know there was a reason why you subscribed to my platform. You got some values from one of my videos, and you want to be part of the community. And those of you who have been here with me ever since, I appreciate you, and I'm going to keep doing my possible best to give you guys the best content out there that will help you be outstanding in your investment in this industry. This industry is so brutal. There are big players, whales with so much money, that they want to, make you feel as if you are like rich, and for the next day or the next hour or the next minute, you become back to square one. These guys have that money to make you feel that way, and destroy your emotions. So the Betong is here to give you that strategy to take you from nothing to something, help you keep that profit. The first thing you have to understand is mindset. And the mindset is going to be focused on, why did you buy that project? What made you to buy that project? What do you know about that project that you are buying? Let's say, for example, you hear me talk about Dogecoin or maybe Dogecoin or Floki, and you rush to buy it. Why did you buy it? Did you buy it because I talked about it? Yeah, okay, yeah, I talk about it. Now, what was the plan? Take out profit. What like, do you have any zone, any area of interest that you know? Okay, if say this coin get to this level, I want to take out this profit, and do you know how to go about taking the profit? These are all stuff that some people actually don't understand on how to apply when they buy a particular project. The moment you are pressing or you are clicking that buy button, you already know when to sell. Don't ever click the buy button if say you don't know when to sell. Never you do that. And if say you actually don't have any technical or fundamental analysis in any project, never you buy that project. Stay away from it. Keep your money in USDT. Don't go and waste it on a project that you don't know what it's all about. You have no fundamental analysis. You have no technical analysis just because someone told you to buy it. No. And you have no plan to take out profit. And after that, you're gonna blame someone else and saying that, okay, no, this or that. But I'm not saying this because I want to, make you feel bad of yourself. I'm saying this because I want to make you feel good of yourself right now that you know what to do. So when you go, like, let's go to the chat. I'm gonna show you guys some stuff. Like, yeah, I'm gonna like be really candid with you guys and show you guys some stuff here that I think most YouTubers out there are not saying it. They won't like really open your eyes to see all this stuff, because at times most of them are trading against you. They want to make money from you. I'm trying to bring my trading view here, guys. Just for a moment, please. Just bear with me. I'm trying to bring the chart here just now. So let me, do this again. See if I can bring it here. Okay, I think it's gonna come now. No, it's not gonna come now. Maybe I can just use the web. So let me just use the web. So yeah, let me just go to the web and use it. I think that's gonna be better for me right now. I want to show you guys some stuff here that I believe might really help you to look at crypto in a more sophisticated manner, so that when you are buying any project, you already know what to expect and when to go about taking out profit. And I'm gonna do this with free indicators. I don't want you guys to come and tell me that you don't have trading view. Go and get trading view. If you want to be successful in this game, you have to learn how to play the game. And learning how to play the game means that you have the tools to help you become successful in the game. And TradingView provide those tools, right? That will help you be successful in this game. So, okay, this is TradingView. Right now, I'm on TradingView. If you don't yet have TradingView, go and get TradingView. It's free, guys, and you can even have about, I think you can have about um 30 days free. Yeah, free. You can have this for 30 days free. And after that, maybe you can cancel your subscription. So, um, let me do this. I think I'm a little bit freezing. Is my connection freezing? Guys, if say my connection is freezing, if you cannot get me well, do let me know. But I want you to really get me well. I think this chart is the reason why my connection is freezing. So I'm just gonna try as hard as possible to bring back the main chart here. Let me see. Why am I not able to get this? Let's see. I don't know why I'm not able to get this. It's strange, guys. Maybe because I didn't. Let me see if I can have to zoom it. Let me see if I have to zoom it. I'm not able to get my trading view. Okay, I'm able to get it now. Yes, I got it. Now, guys, um, this is very important. I want you guys to look at this properly, right? Let's say this is. Let's go to. I want to show you guys this with a good chart, so we can like go through this together. And I don't want like we don't have to be in any rush. You don't have to be in any rush like you want to rush and watch. Just take your time. Let's be patient and look at what I want to say here. And if say you don't yet have trading view, as I mentioned, go to the description of this video and get trading view. Use my link, it's gonna help this channel a lot. If you use my link, I'm gonna appreciate a lot, if you do just that. Now, I want you to get some indicators here on your chart. These indicators are free indicators. They are free of charge. And I'm going to explain to you guys why I want you to get these indicators and what I want you to do with these indicators, right? The first indicator is this trendilo. Let me take this down. The first indicator is this trendilo. I think I'm going to do this actually here because let me just take this away. Let me just get uh, I'm going to do it here so we can have everything we need, like the hybrid system and all the good stuff, to give you guys like really focus on what I want to share. And this is I'm going to use Solana as an example. And the reason why I want to use Solana is because Solana is like volatile, like any other coin out there. So I'm gonna bring all of this indicator one by one, and I want to explain to you guys how they like how it works one by one. And I'm gonna show you guys how you can get these indicators. It's gonna help you to get out profit. Like you don't have to understand like everything about technical analysis. You don't have what you need to do is be able to get this indicator and you have it on your chart, and boom, you are good to go. So now let me refresh this page and take us to the daily time frame for Solana. Right? I chose Solana because Solana has been pumping, and yeah. So this is Solana, right? And it is Solana on the daily time frame. What I want you to do is go on indicator and search for Trendilo. Trendilo, you know, Trendilo. This is it. The one with Trendilo open source. 851 by Dude. Is it Dude owns? That's the one. Right? Go and get it. It's free of charge. When you get it, go to when you get it, it's gonna appear like this. This is it below here. When you get it, go on it, click on it, double click on it, and appear for you to like do the setting the way you can see it here, or the way you see it here. Change this look back. This look back, like the original amount is 50, change it to 25. And that's all you have to do. At times maybe you're gonna see the green is gonna be above and the red zone is gonna be below. So no matter like the setup, the rules are the same, right? So now what you should understand is this indicator is a trend indicator. It's an indicator that helps you to know like the trend in the market. The next indicator you should apply here is the alpha trend. The alpha trend screener. The alpha trend screener. Alpha trend screener. Let me see. Alpha trend screener. The first one by Kivans or Leak, something like that, with 5,288. So this is a one free. And when you put, you have it, you can mark star on it. You're gonna have it like this is the one, that has this. So if you don't understand trading, I want you to play this game on the higher time frame, like the 1 day or the 4 hours time frame. I'm going to show you guys more on this time frame, because I think if you go to the lower time frame, you start creating noise, and this won't be good for you. So this indicator, it acts as a trending indicator depending on where the market is going, either down or uptrend, right? And if say you plug this indicator, you have to know two things. When you see buy on the higher time frame, like the daily time frame, you are buying. And when you see sell on the higher time frame, like if price has been moving, like for example, there was a buyer and price has been moving to the upside, you see sell, you are selling, and you see buy again, you are buying. So you buy when you see the buy signal, and you sell when you see the sell signal. Also, when you go back, you're going to understand some stuff here. That this indicator, at one point also, it could be moving sideways. And when it's moving sideways, it's printing this buy and sell, and sell signal. This could be fake, right? So you don't play along this. That's when an indicator like Trendillo comes in. You're gonna see that Trendillo has compressed. You can see that's compressed like the Bollinger Band, meaning the market is trending sideways, is consolidating up and down, and this is accumulation zone. So the accumulation zone is you are buying whenever you see the buy signal. You are buying on the whenever you see the buy signal, you don't just buy, you buy only when you see the buy signal. And when you look at the moment that the trendillo has expanded, like you can, like in this case, let me show you guys what I want to I was showing. In this case, you see here it expanded here. That's when you are waiting for an opportunity to sell because it has expanded. And if say it's gonna come right down, contract, and to an extent that maybe you're gonna print a sell signal, then maybe you can buy again when you see the trendillo print this green. But the area where you have to buy when you see the trendillo, is like you want to buy on when you like the area you want to look at, sorry, the areas you want to look at to buy is when you see the trendillo, expand this band. When you see it expand like this, that's when you are buying, like knowing that the upside will be grievous or will be more, right? Yeah. So this is just how you use the trendillo. Now, another thing you have to understand is this: you are going to be buying this, Solana, looking at what Bitcoin is doing. You don't just buy here because there's a buy signal here. Of course, look, like if the market has been going downward, you buy knowing that price has been moving downward to the oversold area, and Bitcoin also is at the oversold area, and Bitcoin is about to break or is showing green light, and Bitcoin has the alpha trend has pointed by on the Bitcoin chart, meaning if Bitcoin is pumping, Solana has to pump as well. And guys, I'm using Solana because so Solana move alongside Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin is pumping, Solana is gonna give you more profit than Bitcoin. So you're gonna trade Solana and make more profit, right? And if say I have to bring in another indicator, yeah, it's gonna be the Betong moving average. Now, this the better moving average, the way I use it as support and resistance. I'm gonna show you guys right now how I use it. I use it to know when to buy and when to just like stay away from the market. For example, right now you can see this is gonna act as resistance. Price we're gonna come to retest this indicator at one point. I think that's the reason why we are not seeing Solana doing that great. I think if Solana moves like goes up like to 140, it's gonna come back to about $80, or maybe let's say about $100, because this indicator have to make it way to the upside, and before this indicator cross this level here, price must have come and kiss it. And when you see price come and kiss it, you have to look at where the alpha trend is. And if say this was in a downtrend, and on the daily time frame you see price bounce, and maybe you see rejection, multiple rejection, then you want to actually just buy that token, right? Right. For example, in this case, Solana. Okay. All right. Now, another indicator that I want us to look at here, is Traders Reality Main. This is a free indicator also. First of all, let me show you how you can get the Betong indicator. This is my indicator, the Betong moving average. So go to Trading View. It's free. The Betong. So this is the first one. I'm the only one using it now, of course. The first one, choose better. This first one, the Betong moving average by the Betong. So um, the way I use it on all time frame is when we are in an uptrend, when price is in an uptrend and price get back to it, I look for a buy signal. I know that that is acting as support and resistance, and it's gonna get to key areas, and it has been respecting itself. If I take this to the downs, if to like back, let's go to lower time frame so we can see more about this. If we go to the lower time frame, you're gonna see that this indicator has been acting as yeah, it act as a resistance. Yeah, it was acting as a resistance as well, but at one point it break. But if we go, like, let me refresh this page a little bit. Let's go back to see if we can get. You can see, but the idea, guys, you can see whenever price get there, there's a reaction. Price get there was a reaction. Price get there was a reaction. Price get there was a reaction until price breaks. So this is like a point of control or a pivot area, right? And also when I'm buying any asset, where the Trendilo prints a sell signal, like for example, let's say price break the Trendilo and print this sell signal, yeah, and price was sorry, price break the alpha trend and price was going down, 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 and if price kills this indicator, where I'm buying, where I'm selling, or where I'm placing my stake profit is where the sell signal is. All right. So if say, for example, let's say now price get to this area, yeah, and this was an area of interest looking at the previous, like this area. Now price get there. The next area I should be looking at, if say I'm gonna buy Solana, was at this zone here, and I took profit there exactly. I placed my stop loss there, or my take profit there. You can see price got there. Sorry, price get there and price reject. You can see how price was rejecting in this area. You can see it clearly how price was rejecting this area, and that was a moment for you to get out and look out the Trendilo. It printed this, this overbought area. So these indicators, you can just practice, practice on how to use it. It's gonna be easy. Now, the last indicator that I want us to look at here is the trader's reality. I've done a show already about this, but this is somehow one of like it plays a huge role in the way I go about my trading, because it brings these vector candles here. It has these vector candles here, and if I go to the higher time frame, let me make this to be more sweet, so we can see some the juice here. So I'm gonna explain to you now again what. Let me just go to the 4 hours time frame so that we can see exactly what I'm trying to convey here to you, because I want you guys to really get this knowledge. Looking at price now on this time frame, you can see that this green this green vector candle is a sign, like when you see it on the higher time frame, particularly when price has been contracting. You can see in this area around the better moving average, it shows that price has been moving sideways, and suddenly we see this huge green vector candle, and price goes above all this moving average here, like the 5-day moving average and the 13-day moving average. You can see there's a line in the middle, the small let me not say small, okay, yeah, the tiny moving average in the middle are the 5 and the 13-day EMA. So these EMAs, they act as like as an area of rejection. So when price get there, if say price is an uptrend, price will reject and keep moving back to the upside. And the alpha trends, act as support, and the 50-day moving average act as also an area where price could bounce back. Now, if price is bouncing from the 50-day moving average, that price don't have to close below the alpha trend. If price close below the alpha trend, then it means that price might end up closing below the 50-day moving average. And if say price close below the 50-day moving average, then we might we might start being bearish, and you have to look at the Trendilo, looking at what the Trendilo is doing. Guys, we want to keep doing more videos about all this, and I want to make this like a center, or the center of my analysis, or my videos, my content, to keep on remind you guys on how to use this indicator. So if say you cannot really get this now, right? Okay, it's okay. We like, well, that's why my group is there. That's why we are here every day. And if say at this point in time you don't yet understand how to go about this, if someone tells you buy this coin, or you see any coin you want to buy, make sure you reach out to me first before you buy that coin, and be part of my live show so I can analyze that coin for you. And when I analyze the coin for you, you can see how I'm doing it, and you can apply it like someday in the future. Don't just sit and don't follow my content. You just sit and want everything to happen to you. You have to be available. And if say you want to really understand more, also like particularly this vector candles, go and watch Traders Reality Show every day. So I think I don't want to confuse you guys more, but to an extent, I want to believe like you got some value from this. And if say you did get some value from this, do let me know at the comment section. I'm not gonna go do like long videos right now. I want this to be short, and I'm gonna do more follow up videos in the in the future for those who actually yeah, we actually are not able to understand this from the beginning, right? This one time, like first time, and remind me, guys, always, if say there's something you don't understand about the indicators or how you want to get it, do comment below, and I'm gonna do my possible best to help you. So now I can say that to an extent, you can bring in these indicators to your chart. Maybe you don't understand how to use it right now, like fully. I myself, I didn't understand. I didn't just wake up one day. I understand how to use these indicators. It took me practice, like time. I practice. I learn. I go on the chart and make sure I understand how to combine all these indicators to help me in my. That's why when I tell you guys sell this, buy this, do this, I'm looking at this chart. So it's not as if I'm like a Superman. No, it's because I look at this, indicators to guide me as I look at market structure. If market structure is breaking, and I see that all these indicators are helping, are pointing towards the same direction, at least three of them should be pointing the direction that I want to take, then I'm taking that direction. And when I share it with you guys in the group, like, oh, you have helped me to be profitable, is because of this. So if say you are not yet part of my community, go and join right now. The link is found below this video. Be part of my Telegram. And if say you want me to always help you in portfolio management one-on-one, then become a VIP. Go and become a VIP. Connect with me. First of all, join the group. And after that, I will help you become VIP. So that's it for today. And take care. See you tomorrow, same time. Bye bye.